Thailand is poised to revolutionize its biotech industry, shifting from a localized focus to a global powerhouse. With a rich biodiversity and a growing ecosystem of companies, the country is leveraging strategic partnerships and innovation management to develop high-quality natural products and cutting-edge medical technologies. But can Thailand overcome regulatory hurdles and become a self-sufficient biotech leader? We'll explore the ambitious plans of the Thailand Center of Excellence for Life Sciences and the entrepreneurs driving this transformation. Thailand's biotech industry is rapidly evolving and positioning itself as a key player in the ASEAN regions and the global biotechnology landscape. I've been analyzing the growth of this industry, and it's clear that the country's biopharmaceutical industry is projected to reach USD 232 billion in 2024, ranking it third in the world. This growth is driven by the country's growing pharmaceutical market, aging population, and government initiatives. One of the key drivers of this growth is the government's commitment to foster innovation and technological advancement. The government has made significant investments in research and development, particularly in biotechnology, pharmaceuticals, and healthcare sectors. This has led to the establishment of key infrastructure and facilities such as the Thailand Science Park, Biopolis, and Center for Medical Genomics, CMG. These facilities provide a hub for biotechnology research and development, attracting international companies and researchers to the country. Precision medicine is transforming the healthcare system in Thailand, driven by advances in high-throughput, next-generation sequencing technology and bioinformatics. This has led to the development of new treatments and therapies, improving patient outcomes and quality of life. The government's universal health coverage policy has made significant progress since its inception in 2002, providing essential health services to all citizens at all life stages. This policy has created a large and growing market for biopharmaceuticals and medical devices. Thailand's natural product development has shown promising results in the fight against cancer, particularly lung cancer. Researchers have identified compounds that exhibit anti-metastasis activities, providing new hope for patients. BioAero, a Canadian biotechnology company, is working to make healthcare accessible to all and is developing an ecosystem of tools to analyze individual DNA, metabolism, microbiome, and lifestyle for comprehensive patient health profiles. This company's focus on precision medicine and personalized healthcare is a key trend in the industry. The country's regulatory framework for biotech is evolving, with the Department of Agriculture and the Ministry of Agriculture and Cooperatives, OEC, considering the adoption of genome editing technology, GED, for food safety and security. This move will have a significant impact on the biotech industry, as GED technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we produce food. The country's biotech industry is driven by its medical tourism industry, with a focus on moving genetic testing into the wellness sector. This trend is driven by the growing demand for personalized healthcare and the need for more effective treatments. Thailand's biotech industry has a strong network of research institutions and academic centers dedicated to biotechnology and life sciences. These institutions provide a pipeline of talent and innovation, driving the growth of the industry. The country's biopharmaceutical industry has seen significant growth, with the pharmaceutical market generating 186 billion baht in revenue in 2019. The government's policies and BOI incentives provide a favorable investment environment for the pharmaceutical and medical devices industries. The country's biotech industry is focused on recycling activities that convert unusable materials into commercially viable products, aiming to reduce waste production, save energy and natural resources, and decrease pollution and landfill needs. This trend is driven by the growing awareness of the need for sustainable practices and the impact of waste on the environment. Thailand's biotech industry is dominated by food science, agriculture, and pharma, with a focus on rice, cassava, oil palm, shrimp, dairy cows, and tropical diseases such as malaria and dengue fever. The country's competitive advantage lies in its biodiversity, unique culture, and human resources. Thailand aims to integrate bioeconomy, circular economy, and green economy to achieve sustainable growth. This integration will have a significant impact on the biotech industry, as it will create new opportunities for innovation and growth. The country's biotech industry is poised for significant growth, driven by government initiatives, investments in research and development, and the adoption of new technologies. As an investor, it's essential to understand the trends and opportunities in the biotech industry in Thailand. The country's growing biopharmaceutical industry, precision medicine, and natural product development are key drivers of growth. The government's commitment to foster innovation and technological advancement has created a favorable investment environment. The country's biotech industry is focused on sustainability with a focus on recycling activities and reducing waste production. In conclusion, Thailand's biotech industry is rapidly evolving and positioning itself as a key player in the ASEAN regions and the global biotechnology landscape. The country's biopharmaceutical industry is projected to reach $232 billion in 2024, ranking it third in the world. The government's commitment to foster innovation and technological advancement has created a favorable investment environment. The country's biotech industry is focused on sustainability, with a focus on recycling activities and reducing waste production. As an investor, it's essential to understand the trends and opportunities in the biotech industry in Thailand and to consider investing in this growing market. As we conclude this episode of NewsPod BioTech from Big Blue Ceiling, I want to leave you with a forward-looking assessment of the impact of this story. The biotech industry in Thailand is poised for significant growth, driven by government initiatives, investments in research and development, and the adoption of new technologies. The country's biopharmaceutical industry is projected to reach $232 billion in 2024, ranking it third in the world. As an investor, it's essential to understand the trends and opportunities in the biotech industry in Thailand. The country's growing biopharmaceutical industry, precision medicine, and natural product development are key drivers of growth. The government's commitment to foster innovation and technological advancement has created a favorable investment environment. The country's biotech industry is focused on sustainability, with a focus on recycling activities and reducing waste production. In the coming years, we can expect to see significant growth in the biotech industry in Thailand. The country's biopharmaceutical industry will continue to expand, driven by the adoption of new technologies and the growth of the pharmaceutical market. Precision medicine will become increasingly important as the country's healthcare system continues to evolve and improve. Natural product development will also continue to play a key role as researchers identify new compounds with potential therapeutic applications. As we look to the future, it's clear that the biotech industry in Thailand will continue to be a key player in the global biotechnology landscape. The country's commitment to innovation and technological advancement, combined with its favorable investment environment, make it an attractive destination for investors and researchers alike. Whether you're an investor, a researcher, or simply someone interested in the latest developments in biotechnology, I encourage you to stay tuned to NewsPod BioTech from Big Blue Ceiling for the latest news and insights from the world of biotech.